Hi everyone, welcome back to the G.life. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly cleaning routine, everything that I do Monday through Friday. And I'm just going to show you guys really fast everything that I do, not in detail. But if you guys want me to show you details room per room, I can definitely do that for you guys because I think that would be really fun to film. I'm really excited for this video because this video is in collaboration with my friend Callie Ratzlaff. I will go ahead and link her channel and her video down below. She will be doing the same kind of video on her channel, and her channel basically has a lot of cleaning videos which I'm sure you guys will love. So I'm sure you guys would love her, so go ahead and check her out. So on Mondays, what I like to do is clean the bathroom. I do a tidy up every single day, but on Mondays, I like to really clean it a lot more than I would do on a regular basis. So the first thing I do is obviously put some product into the toilet, and this is just a Lysol toilet cleaner, and I just leave it in there while I'm cleaning everything else. On the mirror, I'm just spraying some vinegar and water, and then on the countertop, I'm spraying some Lysol. It's a Lysol concentrate that I mix with water. I think I got the concentrate at Dollar Tree. And I just mix it with water. It works really well. I try to clean the toothbrush holder about twice a week because it can get really nasty in there, so I try to clean it quite often. And then about once a week, I clean the cabinet. Since it's so dark, you can see a lot of splashes on there. So I try to clean that very often. And then I go ahead to the toilet. I wipe everything down, again, using the Lysol. It isn't disinfected, so it disinfects the whole toilet. And I try to clean the whole toilet just because it can get some really nasty in there. And then I clean the bowl as well. So this mat right here is actually where we put Lily Pad's food. I got this on Amazon. I'll try to link as much as I can down in the description box below. Now, you guys hardly ever see me actually clean our tub, and that's because I honestly do it while I'm taking a shower. I know it probably sounds gross to some of you, but it's true. So all I'm doing right now is actually just walking in there and spraying lots of vinegar and water in there. Now you guys will see me use my vacuum in every single room because I love my vacuum. And after I vacuumed, I did mop, but you guys didn't see that. We also clean Lily Pad's litter box on a daily basis. It was already done for this day, so you guys didn't see that. And on Tuesdays, I like to really clean our living room. By our front door, we actually have this little area where we hang like my purse or hats, and then a place where we store our shoes. And it's like basically a catch-all, and things just like accumulate there, and especially in that little tray. So I went ahead and cleaned all that up, and then I'm taking all the shoes out of this cabinet because shoes also just get stacked in there. And then I go ahead and dust everything. I dust and wipe it down with a damp table fiber cloth, and then I also clean our dining room table. So about twice a week, I like to remove the chairs from the dining room table just so I can clean underneath the table. And then I'm moving on to the living room part again, cleaning all of the carpets. I do this about 2 times a week, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. So vacuuming and cleaning the floor, I do that 2 times a week on the living room. I do that every Tuesday and every Friday. It just helps keep that area so clean. And then the bedrooms, I do that about once a week. So I'm vacuuming everything. I really like vacuuming the floors just because we have a cat, and obviously, she sheds hair, and the vacuum just picks up hair so well. And then after I vacuum, I'm just going to go ahead and mop, and this is where removing those chairs from the dining room table really comes in handy because I can get under the table really well. So I do about a load of laundry every single day. I wanted to ask if you guys would want to see my laundry routine, basically tell you what I do on a daily basis, the products I use, which aren't much at all, and what kind of settings I use on my washer and dryer. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in that, because I think that would be a really fun video to film. On Wednesdays, I clean Michael's bedroom and then also my husband and I's bedroom. I just go ahead and dust everything, all of his furniture, and I also clean it with a damp microfiber cloth. I also like to straighten up his closet. I usually tidy up his bedroom on a daily basis, but sometimes just things get thrown in there and we don't really fix it, so I try to clean all that up at least once a week. Michael's playing with the closet door. He was having so much fun with that. And then again, I'm vacuuming his carpet and his floor. So moving on to our bedroom, I'm starting off with cleaning off our nightstand. I usually have my planner out, so I need to put it back into my Happy Planner pouch. And I love this pouch. I actually got it through Amazon, and I have most of my planner supplies in here, and I love it. So I'm basically doing the same thing, just dusting everything, making sure it's nice and clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and mop that bedroom as well. So on Thursdays, I clean the kitchen. I try to clean all of the appliances that day. So cleaning up the toaster, just wiping it down, and I'm just using vinegar and water. I also like to wipe down our Keurig. I usually do this every single night because there's always fingerprints on there, but I clean it a little bit more on Thursdays. And then I also go ahead and clean our microwave. I did take out the tray from the microwave, and I'm gonna be washing it. Since I go grocery shopping on Fridays, I like to clean out the fridge on Thursdays. Just make sure I take everything out that is about to go bad, or just wiping down the walls and the shelves, because it just makes it look a lot better. I do a deep clean of the refrigerator maybe about once a month, where I take all of the shelves out and wash them and everything, but on a weekly basis I just wipe it down. So I obviously clean out the sink on a daily basis after I wash dishes, but about twice a week I like to add the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner to the sink and just really scrub it down. I love the way it smells. I got it from Grow Collaborative and I love it. I also like to clean out the floor on Mondays and Thursdays, so I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing on Thursday. So this day I'm vacuuming everything, and then I'm actually vacuuming all of the edges, just because I've noticed that sometimes the broom doesn't always pick up all the tiny little things. So I like to use the vacuum just so it picks up everything. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and mop and clean out the trash can. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go check out Callie's video. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.